realize how much. Okay, hello guys. Welcome back. After a long time, I'm back again to do backtesting. So previously, in my previous video, I did backtesting about from FVG. FVG. So today, I've learned about liquidity, break-off structure, and fair value gap. I already know about fair value gap. I already knew about fair value gap, but again. Uh, I did some revisions in for fair value gap, and after that I studied about liquidity. So here we can see the liquidity graph here. This is a liquidity graph, so I can already see that there is a high probability of this market going up, and we have another liquidity here. So in this session, in this live, I'm going to trade backtest my fair value gap, this liquidity, especially this liquidity. So to check this liquidity, I need to check other factors also, other confluence, isn't that confluence? Yeah, other confluence also, like break of structure, fair value gap, order block. I know about order block, like this is order block. I know that this one is order block. So this one is order block, I know about it. Like here we have this order block mitigated, and then it went up, and again it came down. But yeah, there was this liquidity and liquidation also, liquidity sweep also. And yeah, I know about order block, but I need to do revision on order block also. I need to study more about order block again. Order block, fair value gap, break of structure I studied again today. So break of structure, I'm a bit clear about break of structure, but with more practice I will be much more clear about this break of structure. Okay, without further ado, let's start our backtesting. So here we can see this, there are two liquidation area in 5 minutes chart. Let's check in 15 minutes chart, and in 15 minutes chart also we can see that there is a liquidity in this area. So in this area we can see there is a liquidity, and another, and we can see that there is a liquidity here also. So let's zoom out. Mm, at swing high, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. So we can see that there is a lot of liquidity here. So yeah, here is a lot of liquidity, and this one also we have the liquidity, but it went straight up. So this liquidity is already filled. And another, we had here liquidity, but not everything is liquidity. So here, we I think we don't say this one is liquidity. So yeah, uptrend. So we can't say that this is liquidity, because here is a break of structure. Here we can't find any break of structure. Can't find any. I think we can't find any break of structure, because this one is the high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So here this one is liquidity. So low, high, sorry, this one is low, and this one is high, and again we have this low. So this one is high. So this one was here it broke the liquidity, sorry, break of structure, and then uptrend. So high, low, low, and again we see for high. So here we can see this candle is the break of structure. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Second, here is the liquidity, and we will just ignore. Okay, this one is second, this one is third. This one is liquidity. Okay, now let's check. Let's see. I'll just delete this one. This is not our interest, and this is also not our interest. I'll just delete it so that it is clear. So in 15 minutes out we have this liquidity, and in 5 minutes out also we have this liquidity, and in 5 minutes out we can see the fair value gap. We can see the fair value gap here. Let's check in 15 minutes. 15 minutes we don't see that fair value gap, and 1 hour I of course know there is a fair value gap. So what we are going to do is we will check another candle. Wait for the another candle. Okay, this candle is going down in 5 minutes out. Okay, another, maybe another liquidity sweep. Okay, now let's analyze here. This is not mitigated, and in 15 minutes out there is no fair value gap here, so maybe I should not ignore this fair value gap, or what. Let's see. So here we have this liquidity, and then it created another swing low right here, so we will ignore this. Now another swing low here, and there is no any break of structure. High and low, again high, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it went up to get this fair value gap. Okay, play. Okay, disrespected the fair value gap. Okay, now we can see here, what we can see here is, here we have liquidity sweep in 15 minutes, and we can see very good liquidity sweep. Okay, very good liquidity sweep, and then in 15 minutes out also we can see break of high. This one is high, low, this one is low, again high, and again low. So this one is high, so we will check here if we will find any break of structure or not. So we have here, so high, low, high, high, low, high, low, and low, high, low, high, high, low, and again high. So we will check, we will wait for it to break this point. Okay, and can we see the fair value gap? Wait a minute. Okay, we will wait for it to break. Okay, so it is trying to break. No, there is not break of structure still, and yes, there is no break of structure, and high, it made another high here, so we will wait for it. This, okay, the price is going down now. There is strong bearish momentum. Okay, so I will just delete this line, and we had here another swing low, another liquidity area. So here is our liquidity, and we have another liquidity here also. Hi J traders, I'm just learning what's up. How is your trade going? I'm just learning about this fair value gap. I know about fair value gap, and I know about this. I have to still learn about this order block. I still don't know. I'm not confident about this order block and break of structure also. So uh, you can watch my video if you don't get bored, and then you can let me know if I am doing any mistake, because I am just learning and I am in 2 months. So today I took 2 trades in BTC, and I got one trade take profit. I hit one take profit, and I hit one stop loss. So I'm here again after a long time to do backtesting. So if there's anything, just let me know. It will be very helpful. And thank you for watching. And you are like my first viewer who is that I have received a comment. Thank you so much. Okay, so I can see that here is a break of structure, sorry, liquidity, and here is also another liquidity, and maybe this is trying to grab this liquidity, and we will see what happens here, and we will see another what happens here. So after, before that, there is a huge fair value gap. I think this we can see it in 1 hour can chart. Yeah, we can see there is a huge uh, bearish candle here. I'm really good. I've been trading for 7 months and I use the same strategy. I've passed multiple funded. So I have not done any funded, and I've just started there in cryptocurrency, but I think I should be going moving forward to Forex, and I don't know about Forex right now. I'm still confused like which platform to use, which brokerage to use. So it is very hard to grasp right now for me about these things. And before going moving into forex, I want to just practice. I'm practicing with my uh, trading account of just $10 right now. So I don't know if crypto is good or forex is good. I don't know which one is good. Even which one is good, I don't know about that. Why I am not trading in forex is because I cannot keep up with the market. I think like I cannot keep up with the news and updates about everything, because if there is anything news, then there will be a lot of volatility in the market. So I think I should be trading this, practicing with this backtesting and crypto, and then move to forex. I started with forex, but it was really good for me. I switched to futures. It's the best for me. So maybe some people will progress in forex, some people will progress in futures, and let's see where I will go. And previously also I used to trade a little, but I gave up. Like thought that trading is not for everyone, and I thought that it was just nonsense. But now I think I am getting really serious about this trading. So let's see when I will give up, if I am going to give up or not, or what happens if I don't give up. So that's what I want to see. And another thing is I really wanted to learn something in my life. So trading, I chose trading. So let's see where will I reach. So if there's anything you know about anything, or if you have YouTube channel, just let me know. Then I will subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you put, if you come live, if you upload videos, educational videos, or any type of video, then I will be watching. I will be learning. And thank you for being on my channel. Okay, so in 1 hour candle, yeah, we can see that there is a huge fair value gap. Thank you so much, JTrades. I've done a screenshot of yours, so let's hope if I where I will reach, if I get, if I succeed or if I don't succeed. If I succeed, then I will definitely remember you, and if I even don't succeed, but I don't think I should put that option. If I don't succeed, I will not succeed only if I give up. I think that is the only reason I will not succeed. So let's see where I will reach. And definitely, say traders, I will also be following you. If, yeah, I think I will check you later, because yeah, I cannot click your profile. So let's see. I think the price is, what do I think? The price is trying to reach this point and trying to grab this fair value gap. Okay, hopefully. So I'm just in 1 month. It's been around 2 months only, so I'm not even starting. So yeah, this liquidity area, and then after that it may come to take this fair value gap. So let's see what will the price do in this area. I will again go. So yeah, another question: in what do you think the best time frame that I should be trading on? 5 minute chart or 15-minute chart? In which time frame I should be trading, because I used to trade so many times in 15 minutes chart. At the beginning level, I used to trade in 15 minutes chart, and after that, I started trading in 5 minutes chart. But now, when I'm learning, and I found that 5 minutes chart has too much fake breakouts, and this break of structure is also not valid, and trending market trend is also not valid in 5 minutes chart. There was too much noise in 5 minutes chart, so that's why I started to trade in 15 minutes chart. So what do you think is the best thing? So like you see here in the 5 minutes chart, we can see 15 minutes chart, we can see there is a downtrend, but in 15 minute, yeah, 15 minute 5 minutes chart also we have downtrend. And let's see in this area, in 5 minutes, yeah. So usually what happens is, sometimes in 5 minutes are the you can see that the trend is now uptrend, going uptrend, but in 15 minutes art and 1 hour art it is still in downstairs. So nowadays I am trying to see 15 minutes art usually. So so now let's go to 5 minutes art, and in 5 minutes art we can see that there is liquidation area. Let's go to liquidation area and let's see what happens in this time frame. And so now in 5 minutes chart, so here we have got this fair value gap. We have here fair value gap, and we will not see this. I will not see this. I will just see this, what happens here. And we have here break of structure, down, up, down. So we will consider this all down, and let's play. So yeah, it broke this line. So now chart, it may go around this to grab this fair value gap, another fair value gap we have here, and then we have the here swing low, low. So I think the price is trying to move down. I think the price is going, we're trying to move, get this fair value gap. So we will just run the trade again. uh, okay. Okay, now let's go and check 15 minutes chart. In 15 minutes chart, we can see the fair value gap here. We can see the fair value gap here also. You can see the fair value gap here also. And from it, I don't think the price will be reversing from here. I don't think the price will be reversing from here. So I think the price will still go and reach this fair value gap. So let's continue again. So it is reversing. Yeah, we have a very really nice candle. This is a reverse candle. So and this fair value gap is now mitigated, so we don't consider this a fair value gap. And break of structure is still here. This is still the break of structure, so we will not enter the trade until and unless this break of structure is done. So here we can see this here there was a lot of liquidity. There was a lot of liquidity, and it grabbed the liquidity, and maybe it's reversing. So this is a fair. I'll just change this color to this. Change this color. Okay, just a minute, guys.
Baba might be bar.
Okay, so there is a break of structure in 15 minutes chart and in 5 minutes chart. We are not going to see 5 minutes chart, just see 15 minutes chart. I will I'll be trading in 15 minutes chart. Okay, so let's play. And yeah, the fair value gap is mitigated. Now after mitigating the fair value gap, it is trying to go reverse, and yes, the trend here, high, low, so new high, it has created new high, and this fair value gap has been mitigated, so this is a new high, so I'll just put it here, this one. Let's go and see in 1 hour chart, in 5 minute chart. Yeah, yes, there is a new high, and go to 15 minute chart, and this is the break of this is the new high, recent high. Let's go and play. So it has not created a new low, so here is a new low. Let's go and play. Okay, the price has entered consolidation. We don't enter here, we don't enter here, so it is still in liquidity area. So it is still in liquidity area. Just delete this and then put this liquidity. I don't think I will not just delete this, I will just put this. Okay, this is the liquidity area. Okay, this is the liquidity area. Okay, I'm not even ready to get down. Okay, it is reversing. High, low, new high created, new high has been formed, and okay, new low. So yeah, okay, now I think we have this break of structure now. So this is a new high, low, and high. This one is high. Let's go and check in 5 minute chart. In 5 minute chart also, yes, we can see that there is a break of structure in 5 minute chart. But for more confirmation, I will put this break of structure at this point. So in 15 minutes chart also, we can see that here. And let this candle close, and then we will see if we can get the opportunity to enter the trade. Okay, this candle has closed, and we have got the break of structure and confirmation from with another candle. Okay, okay, wait for another candle. Okay, now I think we can enter the trade. Now there has been a liquidity sweep, and new low has been formed here. Okay, and now is there a order block? Where is the order block? So is this order block? Let's go and check in 5 minutes. Yeah, maybe we can say that this is order block, and here we can find the fair value gap also. Here we can find the fair value gap and another fair value. No, so we will, let's see if we can fill this fair value gap in 5 minutes chart. So let's play. Okay, it's coming down, it's coming down. Okay, coming down. Let's check if it comes down to this order block. Okay, should I enter the trade now? Let's go long from here and stop loss at here. Okay, now let's play. Okay, I missed the trade. Now I will enter it here. Am I doing right? and this fair value gap has been mitigated, and this order block I'll just delete this, and I'll put my stop loss here, take profit and stop loss. This is not a good take profit and stop loss, I know. And here is our swing high, 1 2 3, and we have here 4. So let's play. Okay, let's go and check in 15-minute chart also. So in 15-minute chart I don't think there is a good entry point, so I think I can delete this these two lines. This is the swing low, and here is the, maybe I think I should wait for it to break. So we already have here break of structure, and up, down, up, so low. So here is the low, and here is the high. So recent high, this was on the recent high. Yeah, here we can say that I think this one is the break of structure. Let's high, low, high. So in downtrend, to see the break of structure, what we look for recent high. So this is the recent high, and again made low, or which one is low? This one is low. This is the recent high and recent low. This one is the recent low. So recent high was this. So here we have the break of structure, and in 5-minute candle also we can see that there is a break of structure, and then after that okay, 15-minute chart. I'm still not comfortable to take a trade because we still have this consolidation, and not every break of structure is a sign to take a trade. We got liquidity grab also. We have this break of structure, and we don't have fair value gap, so I'll just run the trade. Here we are having a downtrend still downtrend. Yeah, high and low. This one is the low, and again this one is the high. It didn't break this point, and again we are going, maybe we will form another new low. So it's going up, yeah, it's going down, still in downtrend, still not comfortable. Yeah, I took a good decision not entering the trade here. So while backtesting, I make a good decision, and while in real market, I don't make good decision. I don't know. Okay, we will just delete this, and we will just delete this, and then here we have a new high in 5-minute chart. High, low, high, and low, and another high. So no break of structure. This one is the break of structure, but we didn't have this break of structure in 15-minute chart. We didn't have a good break of structure, so I didn't want to take a trade here.
Mo ai đi undan syariat. Mo at positive lang. Mo ai đi undan syariat. Mo at positive lang mate ready on sa abo no dan so. Tabi kay na ako noon siya.
Yeah, so there was a break of structure, but I was not comfortable entering in market. Now I will put another break of structure. This is, I think, according to the rules, I think this one is already the break of structure. I don't know. Let's go and see, check in 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Let's not see 1 hour chart. Let's just check in 5 minute chart. I'll just delete everything now. We are in downtrend. This is swing high. Let's make this green, and we have here swing low. Let's make this red, and we have this use fair value gap. Use fair value gap. Fair value gap till here, and let's make this white. Let's go and check 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart, there are lots of noise in 5 minute chart, so just stick with 15 minute chart. And in 15 minute chart we have here high. Where is the bros? Where is bros? Where is bros? Okay, high, low, high, low, and again this high, and again low, high. So this one should be the break of structure, right? But not every break of structure is good. So I'll just go move here and see for this one. I'll make this one new high, high, low, or maybe this one is low, high, low, and then again another high. And let's see, it's trying to move. It is still in downtrend. Downtrend is still going downtrend. Let's see. So yeah, it grabbed the fair value gap, still in strong ground downtrend. Now it's returning. Nope, no, not a good entry point. We have not found any good entry point. So let's check around here. What can we see? Can we enter a market? This one we can delete. No, we can delete this now. I think I should be entering short position. And where should I be targeting? Maybe here. I'll just copy and paste this and put this fair value here. Okay, this is the key area. This is the key area. Okay, from here I think I should be taking short position. And yeah, so here we can see, can have a good trading. And in 1 hour chart, is there anything in 1 hour chart? In 1 hour chart we can see the fair value gap also. In 15 minute chart, and of course in 5 minute chart we can see. Okay, now let's play. Okay, we missed the trade. It's coming up, and it's coming. Let's check. Let's do a little bit faster. What should I do? Should I be waiting for the price to reach here, or should I just take a trade now? What should I be doing? This key area, I'll just delete this. No need of this. This is the last fair value gap, and here it is trying to reach. Now what should I do? I should not take a trade. Let's continue. Okay, okay. I don't know Why am I stupid? What am I doing? So what is the price trying to do? What is the price trying to do? It grab this fair value gap. Here we have a fair value gap. It is grabbed fair value gap. The price, I think it's trying to reach this point, and I missed this position. I will delete this. I will clear. I will delete this also. I will delete this fair value gap also. And there is no new fair value gap created. There is no any fair value gap created. And where should I be taking trade? So if I take a short position right here, sorry, if I take a short position right here, and I will put my stop loss around this area. I should put my stop loss here, and is this fine? I will just put my stop loss maybe here. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, okay. I think I should be waiting for this price to reach this fair value gap. Should I increase? Let's see 1 hour chart. See fair value gap here. You can see the gap here, fair value gap. So I will close this trade. As soon as I hit the profit, I'm not hitting the profit, I'm taking the loss. The price is in consolidation. I'm taking a loss, and then I'll just stop the trade here. I'll just stop the trade at minus 0.76. Minus 0.76. Okay, this was my wrong entry, so I just did this, and I will wait for this candle to reach here. Just play. Okay, let's move it a bit faster. Okay, faster. The price is in really consolidation. Okay, okay, okay. It grabbed fair value gap, but let's see what will it do at this point, at this fair value gap level. So I'll just put 3 minutes away. Okay, 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 okay. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to take a short position here. No, I'm going to take a short position from here. Take a short position from here and put my stop loss here. This one is already mitigated, and we have created new high. Sorry, we have created a new high, and this one is fair value gap, and this one is swing low. So I will put my take profit as swing low, and here is our fair value gap, and maybe this one is our order block. So from here and here, let's see where it goes, where the price goes. Nowhere, nowhere, nowhere. Okay, okay, okay. To trade from here, and let's see if this goes to this order block or not. Okay, okay, it didn't go to order block. Okay, I'll just delete this and delete this now. Now let's wait for it to hit either stop loss or take profit. Okay, it's going opposite direction. Now it's going to opposite direction, but I will still wait and see what happens. Faster. It's going to hit my stop take profit, I think. Oh, no, it's reversing. Okay, going down. Okay, reversing, going down. Okay, okay, it may take profit. This was hard. 3.49%. What a good win. What did I do right in this? So I waited for the candle and there was a consolidation and this fair value gap. We are down with this fair value gap, and here we have liquidity grab, and if the price still goes down, then we have another liquidity grab here and another liquidity grab here. So here we have two liquidity grab. No, hello, what's up, how are you? And so I'm just learning, and if you know anything that I should know that I am doing wrong, please let me know in the comment. And thank you for watching my video. I really do appreciate, but sometimes I just feel nervous. Okay, so there was a good win right now and I'm happy. So what I have learned is just be patient with the market. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient with the market. I'll write this down. Backtest learning. The topic is backtest learning, and what I have learned in backtesting is just be patient and let the trade run. Analyze carefully. Do not fear of missing out the trade. Better to miss the trade rather than entering the wrong trade because of FOMO. Okay, what I have learned is just be patient and let the trade run and hit your stop loss or take profit. Analyze carefully. Do not fear of missing out the trade. Better to miss the trade rather than entering the wrong trade. Okay, in real market, what I can see in real market is we have here high. This is the consolidation area. We have here really consolidation area, and yeah, we have this consolidation area, and where the trade is trying to reach in 1 hour chart, we can see there is a consolidation. So what I did mistake was to enter in consolidation. So here we can see the fair value gap in 1 hour candle, 1 hour chart. We can see the fair value gap, fair value gap. So here we can see the fair value gap. I'm just analyzing 1 hour chart, so you may not see what I am doing. So yeah, there is a fair value gap. It is trying to reach the fair value. Let's go and check in 15 minutes chart. We have this consolidation here we really have this consolidation market. I don't want to enter the market when it is running sideways. The market is running sideways in this, so I'll not run. Okay, let's get back to backtesting. So here I got the trade and I'll just delete everything and again analyze where the trade is trying to reach. The trade is trying to reach at this level on another. The trade is trying to reach at this level and we have a huge fair value gap here. We have a huge fair value gap here and lowest point of fair value gap is uh, this one, or we can say this one, lowest point of fair value gap. So I don't know who just entered, but I want to say that what I learned in this backtesting was just be patient and let the trade run and hit your stop loss or take profit. Analyze carefully. Do not fear of missing out the trade. Better to miss the trade rather than lose the trade, because I analyzed for a long time and then just let the trade run, and after waiting a long time I entered one trade and put my stop loss and take profit at a valid point. I analyzed where the market is going. So yeah, analyze and see where the market is trying to reach. So I analyzed where the market is trying to reach and then I put my stop loss and I put my take profit and then I entered the market. After a while the market tried to go reverse in my direction, but I still waited for it to reach my take profit and then it just reached my take profit and it took the trade. So now again I am going to enter another trade. So here is the swing highest point, and at here we can see that here is swing high on. Okay, so the market may go to this area. So yeah, here is a liquidation area, here is a liquidation area, and I'll just color this for fair value gap. So I'll just color this as a fair value gap. So liquidation and fair value gap. Okay, so now let's play this trade. Okay, it's coming up. I'll just slow this down. Slow this down. Okay, it is reversing. And wait a minute. Let's see. This is the high. So here we can see the break of the lowest low, lower low, and then lower high. So this is the new high, new high. So here we can see the break of structure. Let's run the trade, and yeah, it didn't break the structure, so it created new high. No break of structure, still not, no break of structure. Wait, okay, no break of structure, no break of structure. The market is in consolidation. Okay, now we have a break of structure. We have a very good break of structure, and yeah, we have a very good break of structure. And for confirmation, we will just wait. We already have a break of structure. Yeah, I oh, I did a very good decision. I took a very good decision of waiting for the confirmation. See this candle.
बाबा म नुहाउनु गएको कि तपाईँ 8 बजी मलाई फेरि टेक्स्ट गर्नु ल अनि अनि मैले फोन गर्छु तपाईँको टेक्स्ट हेरेर म तपाईँलाई फोन गर्छु त्यसपछि मात्रै निस्किनु है।
Okay, let's continue. And we have this huge bearish candle, and we can see there is a lot of liquidity available here, and here also we have this liquidity, and from here we have this fair value gap. Let's go to our chart, and we have created another new high. Let's play the chart. Yeah, oh my god, this one is very large. This one is very large, weak, and I think it grabbed this liquidity. So new low, recent low. This is our recent low. Okay, recent low, another recent low. So let's play this. Okay, it is still creating downtrend. Now it has reversed. So I think it grabbed this liquidity, swept the liquidity, and went reverse. But we will see for another confirmation, which is break of structure. We will see the confirmation from break of structure. We will not enter the trade right now. So let's run this trade. Okay, we are having really nice. We are going to have another. So I'll just keep this. This one is recent low. Okay, yeah. Took another good decision for not entering the trade. Okay, so it is still in downtrend, and it is created another recent high. Okay, now it is trying to break the structure. Okay, another low and recent high, and there we have another recent high. So now when should I enter the market? When should I enter the market? So we are in downtrend right now. Wait a minute. Okay, we are in downtrend, and we could have taken a short position. If we had taken a short position, then we could be profitable. We could be profitable, but we have not taken short position. We have not taken short position. Why we have not taken short position? Because I am not seeing any good entry point for taking short position. This is in downtrend. So right now there is not good entry point. So now let's get back to the live market. Okay, in live market I can see that you cannot see, but I can see here in my screen. I'll just delete everything and swing back. So the market is in downtrend right now. So I can see the market is in downtrend, and here we have this recent low. Here we have this recent low. Okay, and see where the price is trying to go. So we have here recent low, and we have here huge fair value gap. We have here huge fair value gap, which I will just mark here like this, and here we have huge fair value gap, which I think the price is trying to move. And another we have here low. So the price, I think the price is trying to reach at this point, at this level. And here we can see the price is trying to reach at that level. So let's go back into 15 minutes chart, and 15 minutes chart we can see there is a huge downtrend going. And when should I enter the market? when should I be entering the market, either down or either up. So here is the fair value gap, and maybe long position here, take profit, stop loss. Is that okay? Is it okay to do this? But I should be waiting at here. Okay, let's get back to here. So here is a low. So this is a recent low. Here we have this recent low. After that low we have this low. Okay, and we have formed a new high. Let's continue. Okay, yes, surely we have to get a new high, and let's continue. Okay, the market is still in downtrend, and it is going up again. The market is still in downtrend, it is going up. It is created a new low, so maybe it will break the structure. Yeah, no, it didn't break the structure. Still. Okay, let's see. No break of structure. Now we have a break of structure. So now we have with this candle we have a break of structure. For confirmation, previous high also we have a confirmation about break of structure. So now if it is going uptrend, let's go to check in 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, we don't have this break of structure right now. So you go to 15-minute chart, and I think I should wait for the confirmation. I'll wait for the confirmation. Let's play. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to 51-hour chart and see. It's still not break of structure in 1 hour chart. In 15-minute chart. In 15-minute chart, we have a break of structure. We already have a break of structure. This is an upgrade. Now we have break of structure. Now we don't have to go here. We will see here. Okay. So to take a trade, let's see where the price wants to go. Where the price wants to go. Where does the price wants to go? So the price really wants to go up, but we won't see like that. We will see. Let's just delete this. Now I'll take this off swing high. So it is in uptrend, so I'll take that off, and we have this break of structure, and after the break of structure we found new low. So here is our another break of structure. Now we will take a trade from here, long position. We will take a trade from around this area and put our take profit first, take profit here, and then another take profit. We will keep here, and another take profit we will put here. Okay, not here, let's put it here, another take profit. Okay, now let's let the trade run play. Okay, I don't want to enter in on this candle. I want to close this candle. Okay, the candle is closed in downtrend, and okay, I will into the market here, and my stop loss is here. Or where should I keep my stop loss? This is the break of structure, so I think it is buried. So I'll let the trade run. Okay, hit my stop loss. I don't think I should put my stop loss there. Let's put my stop loss around this area, 1.97. Not a good risk reward ratio. Okay, let the trade run. Let it run. I think it proved the instruction high and low. It proved the instruction. So I think I should be closing the trade. And yeah, there was a liquidity grab. So I think I took a bad trade. I think I took a bad trade. So I think this was liquidity sweep, and then the price came down, which I think this was a bad trade, and I increased my stop loss to this point. Let's see what happens. Okay, the price is going up again. I don't understand. Yeah, the price is going up. Okay, okay, I'll just remove this. Okay, the price is again going down. Wait a minute, I cannot understand anything now. So, is it in consolidation? Let the trade run. Let's see what happens. It is a downtrend. Now my stop loss is hit, and it's minus 2.13%. Back trade minus 2.13. Minus 2.13. Just hit my stop loss. What did I do wrong here? I entered the market here because I saw a break of structure. I saw break of structure. High, low, high, low, high, low, and high. Yeah, I saw break of structure and entered the market, but I didn't see that there was this. I didn't see that it just came off for liquidity sweep. I didn't see that. So I should have seen that liquidity sweep. Okay, now let's see another trade. So here is our low, recent low, and this can be our liquidity sweep. And if this is not the liquidity sweep, then we will see where the price is trying to go. The price is trying to reach maybe this lowest point. It's another low, and let's not make too much noise here. Not that, but this one, this one, because we have here uh, break of structure. We have this break of structure. Am I right or wrong? So this is the break of structure, and this is the liquidity. So we didn't say that this is a break of structure, and another, this is a change of character. This is not a break of structure, but this is change of character. High, low, low. This is the low, and there is not a break of structure. If this candle was closed here, then it would be a break of structure, but this is not a break of structure, and The price is trying to reach here, and after that it may come to take this fair value gap in 1 hour candle. Let's go back to 15 minute. In 15 minute we can see that it is in downtrend, and recent high also we will have to see this recent high also, how the market reacts at recent high. So support and resistance also, we need to check support and resistance also. So downtrend, and so this is the support area, this is support area. Okay, so let's see what the market does from here. Okay, 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 we have the change of character, and we have this swing high. Maybe let's see what happens here. Break of structure. Okay, liquidity sweep. Okay, another sweep. Okay, breakout. There is a breakout, and here we have another liquidity sweep. Okay, let's increase this, and here we have a new low. Okay, now we have here fair value gap. You see that this is a fair value gap. We have here fair value gap, and we can enter a long position. We can take a long position here. Okay, long position. So I put my stop loss around here, no more risk, and take profit here. Okay, let's play the trade. Let's run the trade. Okay, okay, missed the trade. Breakout. Liquidity. Is it a liquidity? Okay, and delete this. Okay, and this is liquidity. Swing high, another swing high. We have another swing high here. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens here. Run the trade. Okay, liquidity grab. Fair value gap created. Fair value gap created. Let's see what happens. Okay, the price went up. Another long trade. Put the long trade here. Stop loss here. Fine. Take profit here. Okay, now let the trade run. Okay, come back, no, 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 it didn't come back. So missed another trade. Now delete this, no need of this also, delete this. So where the price is trying to reach, liquidity grab, another liquidity grab, another liquidity grab, fair value gap, fair value gap. Okay, there is a price here. So here was a fair value gap. Okay, there was a fair value gap. Go long right here. Stop loss. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So I'll just let the trade run. Okay, okay, nice, not nice, not nice, nice. Okay, take profit 1 hit. Now delete this, another fair value gap we have here. Maybe let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, fair value gap mitigated. Another take profit. I'll put the take profit here. This has been mitigated, and stop loss is here. Let the trade run. Okay, okay. Wait a minute. Is it a liquidity grab? Uptrend. So here this was a liquidity grab, and then went downtrend. So what will happen next? What will happen? Let the trade run. I already got my take profit at first here, but I want to target around this area for another liquidity graph here, and then it straight went down and again came up and again it straight went down. So I think this is also a liquidity graph. So let's just wait for another candle to form. Play. Okay, okay. So what do I think? Should I close the trade? No, wait a minute. I will not be closing my trade. Why? Because this can be the uptrend. So here is our high, low, new high, new low. So which one is low? This one. So this one is our new low, and we will see if there will be a break of structure or not. Okay, play. Nice candle, nice up candle. New high, new low, new high, and new low, new low. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see for the break of structure. High and low. So another high. So this one will create high, low, another high, and so this one you can see this one is low. What? Low and high. I don't know. Let's wait. Okay. Okay. Nice candle. Uh, High, low. So this one let's chase. Okay, it's going up. Okay, nice candle, nice candle. Not nice, not nice. Okay, new low formed, new high, and new low formed. Continue. Still in uptrend. Still in uptrend. New high, new low, new high. Is it a new high? Yeah, it's a new high. Still uptrend. New low. Okay. Massive low, massive low. Okay. So here is the change of character, and let this candle close. Wait for this candle to close. What? Okay, the candle is closed. Now the trade, I will close the trade also. So what happened here? Liquidity grab. What happened here? Liquidity sweep. So I will close the trade. My target was here. My first target was here, and my second target was here, but second target it didn't reach. So I'll close my take profit here at 0.86%. Okay, 0.86%. Now again delete all, start. So this is our new swing high. So new swing high, and we have your swing low. We have your swing low and fair value gap. Okay, so break of structure is there in break up, down, up, down. So up, down, up, down, up, down. So this one, down, up, down. So here also we can see break of structure. And for confirmation, let's put this break of structure around here. Okay, and now let's see. Okay, just a minute.